how to write a review on TripAdvisor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily write reviews on your TripAdvisor app. So let's dive right in. Open up your TripAdvisor. And then on the bottom, you can see review option. Just tap on it and then you can see write a review. Tap on it and then search for the place that you want to write a review for. Just tap and then you can see how would you rate your experience. You can rate your experience and you can choose what kind of visit was this and then when did you visit. Hit next and there you can write a review and then you can even title the review. Write your review, hit done and then title this review. Hit done and hit next. And then you can put in any helpful tips for future travelers. You can write things to avoid busiest times, parking availability. Hit next. And then you can also share photos of your visit and then hit submit. So that's it. That's how you write reviews on TripAdvisor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.